siya sa realtor namin. Kakausap namin sila. Magbabayad na kami ng earnest money. Ayan. Later ulit. Tapos yun, nakabayad na kami ng down payment sa bahay. And then yan, sadly, nakakonect pala siya sa Bluetooth ng sasakyan. Kaya hindi nyo naririnig or walang sounds. Kaya yung salita ako ng salita, daldal ako ng daldal. Pero, yun, na-explain ko lang na dadalhin ko sila Maggie. Sila Yasi doon sa aming lupa or sa itatayong bahay. Ayun lang. Yan, hanggang ngayon nangihinayang pa rin ako kasi hindi ko na-record lahat. Or hindi na-record yung audio. Yan, sinundo ko sila sa school, from school. And then, diretso kami dun. Ayan, tapos ito yung subdivision or yung neighborhood na napagbilihan namin ng bahay. Hey, where are you going?
I'm okay.
So, we are here, Maggie and Yasi. This is our future home.
No, you want to do this? I put a black tape on my teeth.
What?
There's
So, yes, we are going to take pictures and video of that place. So, yes, the house is not yet started. So, ayan ang aming bakuran. Ito, ayan. Hindi pa siya nasisimulan. We are going to start building. Ano, not us. Ayan, mag-start pa lang mag-build. Yun lang. Today is December 16. Ayan pa lang yung nagagawa. Yeah, so today is December 31st, mag-New Year. So ito na yung update sa bahay. Ayan na siya, oh. Ayan, ito yung bahay.
Is this your house?
Dito ay cheese. Ha?
That's the big room. Stairs?
Wag na.
That's creepy. It's not creepy. If you go upstairs, are you gonna?
Ayan lahat. Because you're not allowed to. Don't touch anything, ha? Hi!
Today we're not drawing this. Welcome back in this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.
So today is January 15th.
Make sure to like and
We are
subscribe.
going to have our pre-drywall meeting. So yes, they're just going to tell us where something like that. So yeah, let's go.
So, these stakes, this is kind of just marking your easement. Yours runs to the curb, but there is what we call an easement.
Basta, ang dami niyang sinasabi dyan. Akala naman niya naiintindihan ko siya. Nung mga time na yun, wala talaga ako naiintindihan gaano. O wala talaga ako naiintindihan kahit isa. Yung sobrang haba ng pre-drywall meeting namin. Ang dami niyang sinasabi. May mga lupa. Ayan, mga lupa na namin yun. Tapos tinanong ko lang kung lilinisan. Nilinisan nila. Tapos yun. Tapos yan, pagpasok namin sa loob ng bahay, in-explain na lahat ng mga terms, lahat ng mga electrical wiring. Tapos yun, wala talaga ako naiintindihan. Naintindihan ko naman siguro hot and cold daw, ganun. Tapos naintindihan ko yung basta dami niya sinasabi na mga terms. Ayan, bawal daw dyan. Yan lang yung pinakatinandaan ko. Yung side ng wall na yan, baka daw matamaan namin yun, mag-ingat daw kami. So, hindi kami maglalagay na any fixtures or anything doon sa wall lang yun. Yun lang yung pinakatinandaan ko. Yun lang kasi yung pinaka-importante siguro. Hindi ko alam. Basta wala ko naiintindihan. Yun, tapos nakakatawa. Nahalata niya at wala kami alam kasi okay lang kami na okay. Dalawa kami, okay lang kami na okay. Tapos nahalata niya, sabi niya, may alam ba kayo sa construction? Sabi lang namin, slide, para naman hindi masyado nakakaya. Slide lang kami doon. So yun. So yun, nag-explain siya sa HVAC, heater, aircon, yan, kung saan yun. Kasi na-explain niya yung mga yan lahat. Tapos yun, sabi ko kay Archie, ikaw na makinig dyan kasi hindi ko talaga maintindihan yun. Siya na lang yung umintindi dun. Tapos yun, sabi ko nga, short lang yung attention span ko. Nag-limit na sa 10 minutes. Kaya yun, wala na talaga ako maintindihan. Yun, thank you so much Mr. Travis for explaining thoroughly sa amin. Super galing niya mag-explain, very detailed.
So you got 16 inches, always going to be on load-bearing walls. 16 to here, to here, to here. Areas that are not load-bearing, like this wall, you're going to be 24 on center. So, just good information to know. Like I said, those strips, I use them on everything now.
I
Everything.
tried that one.
This one's white.
We are going to ride something on the wall. Ay, ang kulit talaga ni ate.
Good.
Go na, mag-ride na!
That's an eel.
Yes. S-phrase.
What's this thing? The one who's making it there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Ay, wala naglag ka. No, not you. Okay, don't. Ayan, they are going to write something. So, it is inside. That is in the foundation of our house. And thank you to... Who?
To God!
Yeah. Hey, not yet done. I can do everything through Christ who gives me strength. Go. Hi, kiddos.
This is now.
Hello, so today is February 2nd. Ito na yung bahay. Yes, it's sold. It's ours. Charing. Ito na siya. Patapos na. Ang ganda na niya. Hello, today is March 8. Parang 17 days.
Mama,
Na
when
lang.
is the Riley 2? I mean the Riley 3.
I don't know. So, 17 more days before the turnover of this house. Meron na siyang mga,
The Riley 3 is like the number.
meron na siyang mga grass. Tapos nilipat na rin tong So, ito yung mga puno na to. That before kasi nandito yan, pinaglipat namin. So, ayan. Hindi ko alam kung pwede kami pumasok sa loob. siguro bukas naman siya. Ayan, hanggang doon sa may billboard na yan namin. Ganda naman dito. Okay na yung likod na. Tapos nilipat na nila itong mga puno. Ayan. Ibig sabihin sa atin yan hanggang dyan. Ganda. Ayan siya, oo. Nilock na nila. Is it lock? Ayan, ganyan siya kalaki. Dito kami sa mismong billboard. Ayan, ganyan siya kalaki yung bakuran. Ito yung bahay namin. So yes, the kids are so happy kasi ang laki-laki daw na bakuran. Ayan, 17 more days. We are super excited. Super excited ka na to go here? Ikaw rin? Super excited ka na? Yay! They're not excited. You will put it... Oh, in the afternoon, no, we can stay here.
Think you can?
Hello! Today is March 16. Yan. Nasaktuhan namin bukas ng bahay. May tao? Yeah. Ito na siya. The aircon is open. Wow, this is gonna be your bedroom. You like here? Yeah. Wow, this is the bathroom. Wow. Huh? Wow, may mga gamit na may dishwasher, ref. Sabi mo kay Tito Archie nakabukas yung aircon. Sabi mo sa kanya bukas yung aircon. Ako, wait lang. Ayan. Ang ganda. We are so set.
Why is our bedroom over?
This is our...
Don't know.
Ito yung aming CR. Pushing. Oh, yeah. Tapos shower. Ito yung kumpisalan. Let's go upstairs. The upstairs. Ano ito?
You should take off this. Mama, you should take off. I have a question.
Which one is this?
Why do you sleep upstairs? You should sleep here.
Ito siya. Ito yung bathroom na isa. Oh.
Is there going to be other child here? Is there going to be other child?
Lahat pala nakakarpet eh. Wala po. Ito yung garage. The garage. Hello guys, good morning. Today is March 18. 1 week before the closing day. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
So closing day, closing day. New home orientation today. 1 week before the closing day. So yun, napunta kami. Ayan, nandito na kami sa bahay. Sakto kami sa oras, di kami na late. Pero late sila. Bukas?
May tao?
May tao. Anong ginagawa? Ano na sila pala sa loob. Akala ko maaga kami. Hello! Hello! So today is March 25th. And today is the day that the Lord has made. It is our closing day today at the final walkthrough. So it's 8:30 final walkthrough ng bahay. Tapos mamaya 10 o'clock ay yung closing na pirmahan na. Congratulations to us! Congratulations! Ano sabi mo?
Wala, pogi ako.
Video. video. Hello! So, tapos na ang closing and everything after 8, 9, 10, 11. After 3 hours. Grabe yung utak. Hindi ko na-absorb lang. Ayan na, ito na yung mga papeles. Yeah, nandito na yung susi ng aming bahay. I'm so happy. I cannot contain my happiness. Yan lang. May bahay na tayo! May bahay na kami. Yan lang. We are so excited. Bye-bye. And thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. And please like and subscribe. Thank you. You like it? You like it? Yes, you like it? Ayun, I always thank the Lord for everything na ginagawa niya sa amin. Na kahit na super undeserving kami sa lahat ng blessings, still pinagpapala niya kami ng lubos-lubos. And ayun, I prayed hard for this and I know everything is in His plan and control. Thank you Lord for everything. Thank you Lord for all the blessings kahit na super undeserving kami sa lahat. Patuloy mo kaming binibless. Ayan, mukhang imposible ang lahat pero walang posible kay Lord. Tandaan mo yan.